Smasher's Dino Ice Age surprise. Over 20 surprises inside. So, surprise Series 3 Dino.
Sure.
As you could see in the corner. Okay. Stretch, smash, slime, build, and more. So we might just have to like get a plate or a bag, maybe. Hi, puppy. Okay, so we finally opened the egg / unwrapping it after thousands of years, but I'm gonna break it now.
Oh, you sure did break it, huh?
No!
Why'd you break it for, Louis?
Okay, so we broke it already. So I don't know what we start off with, but I know that is
What do we have?
right there.
What is it? Slime?
Slime, 4 eggs, and more dino parts. This is
Let's see.
instant snow, I believe.
Let's see.
Yeah, stretchy snow. But let's check the manual. Okay. Then we got more slime. And then we got this. Please don't. And then we got this. I don't know what this goes to. Is this the egg holder? Okay. No. Oh, I just broke it already. And we got thousands of little pieces. And we got this. Let's check what it is. Actually, no. This will be a surprise at the end. So that's one. I'm gonna put them in this little bucket. One. Okay. Now this one you're gonna get a seat. Wait, where did it go? Oh. We got a duplicate, which I already have this one from like years, but I'm happy that I got another one into the bucket. Now this one you guys are gonna get a free. Oh, wait, I think I already have this one, but this looks new. And we got one more left. Let's do this. Okay, now this one. Okay, now this one, I'm gonna stand up and I'm gonna drop it. First, let's pick up all the pieces. I picked up the actual toy. And this one's new. add to the book. Okay, next, this is, I don't know, but I'm seeing. Okay, next is gonna be this one, frozen slime. So I'm gonna go get a bag so I could put the slime on. So we'll be right back. We got the bag and we're gonna open this now. If I can't open it with my bare hands, I'll just use scissors, obviously. Okay. We're gonna cut it open and satisfy. Oh my god. Ready? Okay. As you could see, the like goo. My hand is a little shiny right there. Okay. Hopefully that's the only time I have to use scissors. If not, I will. We opened it. Ew. That does not feel like slime. Oh, but it says it's frozen. So, yeah, that makes sense. Even though it already cut through, which was good. So we're going to do this. Oh, it's like an ice cube. Do you see that? That's cool, right? My hands are wet, so this is gonna be a very gross challenge. So I'm just gonna. Pick it up and start breaking pieces. Oh wait, second time I broke half. No, this will be very satisfying. Oh, that was gross.
You heard it go.
That was very gross. So we got a dinosaur head. That's very cool. That will be added to the bucky. And this is the rest of the frozen slime. Yeah, take the scissors away, cameraman. Next one would be, okay, come over here. Let's read this together. Even though I sound like a teacher, I'm not. Crystal slime. And then that's in Spanish. Probably another word, but I don't know Spanish. Okay, cameraman, scissors. Thank you. That's what it looks like. It's very stringy though. And it's very sticky, so cameraman, should I just like mix it with this? Yes? No? Okay. I'm gonna put that to the side. Take back the scissors. Thank you. This is gross.